Do you have a computer? It can be a laptop, it can be a desktop. Maybe you are using a Mac, or maybe you don't. It doesn't matter, because I'm going to show you how you can make money online. And maybe you're like, okay, I want to know that as well, but I don't have a computer. Do you have a cell phone? Maybe it's an iOS device or it's an Android device. Well, this video is for you as well. I'm going to show you a super simple way in which you can make money online just by typing. Yes, that's it. If you are, all day long chatting with your friends, hey, there is a way in which you can actually get paid just by typing as you're chatting with your friends. Hey, hello everyone. My name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a way in which you guys can make money online while typing. That's it. You just need to know how you can type. You just need to have a computer and cell phone, and of course you need to have the willingness to do this. I'm going to show you everything step by step. Okay, so I want to make sure that you're going to be earning money. This is something that you guys can be doing worldwide. I'm going to show you everything that you need and also why it is so important. Okay, so please make sure that you're going to be watching the entire video. Okay, first, the very first website that we're going to be using, it's called typingtest.com. Okay, typingtest.com is an actual website in which people know their typing skills in minutes. Okay, so for example, we can do a test like, okay, it's going to be a 10-minute test, it's going to be a 2-minute test, maybe a 3-minute test. In our case, it's going to be just a 1-minute test. We can have easy tags, tricky spelling, storytelling, professional. We are going to go with the easy test, okay? Then you're going to click here where it says start test. Okay, here on start test, you're going to have some text. Okay, as soon as I start writing, I am actually, the counter is gonna get started. Give me one moment. Okay, here is it. As you can see, I have 1 minute. It's asking me if I want to go with the normal mode or the pro mode. I want to go with the normal mode, and I'm gonna start typing. Okay, so let me start typing this really fast. Very unique to each. Well, now it's analyzing, after almost a minute, it's actually analyzing my results to see how accurate I was. Okay, so this is basically my score. So it says that my speed at the time was, doing this, it's 57 words per minute and accurate of 94%. So my net speed is 54%. As you can see, I have been doing this in the past. My maximum was actually 63 words per minute. I can retake the test. You don't need to do it. You can compare your skills with others. Here is, actually my best score with easy tests, and I can do other tests. We are not going to be taking other tests. It is okay with the one we took because it's gonna give us an idea. Okay, keep that in mind because I'm gonna let you know what idea on how this website is going to be working together with the others two websites. Okay, the second website we're going to take a look at, it's called ref.com. Okay, ref.com is an actual website in which people can have the opportunity to transcribe their text. They do have three options. First of all, they do have the transcription service. They're ready to pay, or people are willing to pay $1.25 per minute. So you're going to be listening audio and you're going to convert it to text. It can also be the same with videos. Okay, you can add captions. Okay, you can add captions. The service is actually the same. It's $1.25 per minute, and you can caption other people's videos. And if you know another language, you can add the foreign subtitles. Okay, the service is going to be between $3 to $7 per minute. Okay, translate your videos with foreign subtitles. Okay, here we have a translation, so you can have a better idea and a better understanding about ref.com. This is a really legit website. You can find tons of reviews about this website online, what they do offer their customers. Okay, this is for you to have an idea how the service work, complete descriptions and everything. And here you're gonna have some testimonials from customers. Okay, you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna click here where it says freelancers, and you're gonna land on this page. As you can see, you can earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. You're gonna create your own flexible work schedule. Okay, so you're allowed to work whenever and wherever you can, as little or as much as you want, and whenever you want. You can choose from hundreds of jobs. You can enjoy from a variety of projects that actually might interest you. So if you are looking for something, hey, that you feel like this is really entertaining, go for it. You're going to get paid on a weekly basis, and you're going to get paid through PayPal. Okay, you're going to get paid through PayPal. Just in case that you're like, Diana, everything was fine, but to be honest, I cannot withdraw the money, from PayPal. It's not allowed in my country. This might not be the right fit for me. Let me tell you guys that there is an alternative. It's called RTM. I'm going to leave a link below. You can open an RTM account. So you're going to have the opportunity to send the money from PayPal to RTM, and you can withdraw it to your local bank account. You can exchange it into cryptos. You have a lot of opportunities. It's up to you. How do you want to exchange the money? This is a service that I use, that I enjoy, and I really, really recommend. I'm going to leave a link below. Okay. So another page in which you can actually make money online, I'm going to reveal that in a second, because you might be wondering, like, Diana, okay, you show me that in your case, you are, your accurate is 54 words per minute. How does this translate into money? Okay, remember that they are actually willing to pay you. The average is $1.25 per minute. Let's say that you're not gonna go with the foreign subtitles. Chances are that you can, but let's say that you are not gonna go with it. So in my case, it's 54 times $1.25. So that's 67 on average. That's gonna be, $67, just for working online, just by typing. This is going to be my average. If you improve your skills, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in a moment, you can earn even more money. But the second website I want to show you today, it's called Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me, this is a website that I talked about previously. You can be a data entry, you can be a transcriptionist, you can be a translator. Okay, you name it, you have a lot of opportunities here. Okay, they do have their own rates as well. If you know more than one language, you can be a translator. Whenever you are ready to apply, you're gonna click here where it says jobs. You're gonna land on this page. You're gonna click here where it says get started, and you need to create your account. Okay, nothing crazy. Okay, cool thing about this is that you're gonna be transcribing really short videos. There's gonna be between 2 to 4 minutes clips, no long interviews. Okay, and you can work whenever you want. It's up to you. And again, these guys, they are ready to pay you through PayPal. Remember that if for some reason you cannot use PayPal in your country, you can always use RTM. The link it's below here if you want to transcribe. Okay, which languages do you use? This is all your personal information. Diana, I'm really interested on this. How can I improve my speed? Okay, on the very first website that I showed you, which is typingtest.com, they do have typing test courses. These courses are 100% free. They go through from basic to really advanced. So these are not really long, classes. So the length it's between 5 to 10 minutes. So you can take them on your own rhythm. The faster you take them, the faster you practice, you get the strategy, the techniques to type really fast, the more money you're going to be earning. Okay. So that's something really important. By the way, guys, if you're tired of your 9 to 5, maybe you're looking to, to make money passively. So that means that you're not going to be typing anything. You want to make money while you travel. You want to make money while you sleep. You want to start enjoying life, living life in your own terms. I'm going to leave a link below with my number 1 recommendation to make money online so you can fire your boss. Okay? That's going to be the very first link in the description. It's a worldwide opportunity that is waiting for you guys. But if you want to, to get it. Okay, this is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up. This is going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.